Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of JK Reviews Everything. So today we're gonna talk about a keyboard that I recently bought. So this channel is mostly about whatever I buy, I reviews. So I buy it, I review it. So this is something that I bought a few days ago. This is a silent mechanical keyboard. You can use it for office, you can use it for gaming, whatever you feel comfortable with. It's from GRIPTEX. It has RGB lights, 19 keys anti-ghosting, 1000 Hz, and silent typing. The one thing that I really like about it is the mechanical feeling, and it is but very silent. Okay, so it has two colors. You can choose either the white blue version or you can choose a black gray version. So here you go. So in the box you have the keyboard, you have a manual, and there is this cable, Type-C cable, which I already plugged into my device. So for hardware specification, it comes in a built-in battery. Connection can be made using Bluetooth, cable, or wireless. So the wireless USB is right here, so you can just turn on the keyboard and just plug it into the device, and that's it. But if you want to use it by wired, make sure the keyboard is set to off. Just plug it in the Type-C cable, connect to your computer, laptop, whatever you're using. It's ready to go and it's ready to type. So how does it feel? It's very silent, but you still have the mechanical feeling, not of the traditional keyboard feeling. So yeah, that's about it. So the quality of the keyboard is very nice. I like the neat look. It's really made of plastic. It's light. It's not really taking a lot of space in my table, so that's something that I like it. I had a big keyboard which is taking a lot of space. This is very clean, modern look. It has 98 keys with the number pad, and yeah, I've been using it for a week right now, so it's so far so good. I enjoy playing games with it and enjoy doing some editing, video editing, some photo editing whatsoever. So far it's give me a clean look. The reason I bought this is, like I mentioned, I wanted to have a silent feeling, so that's what I have it right here. So yeah, let you guys take a look at the back. I will add the link that where I bought it. Actually, I'm in Vietnam, so I bought it from Shopee platform of Vietnam. So whoever is in Vietnam and that is looking for a keyboard, you can consider this one. I actually looked through many options. This is relatively budget version, so I bought it for what, about 350k Vietnam dong, which is about $15. Yeah, this is relatively very budget, but it's a very high quality keyboard that I loving it so far. So yes, it is compatible with MacBook. It's also compatible with Windows, so that is a requirement. Yep. So what do you guys think about it? If you are interested in, you can buy another one. Thank you for seeing my review. Bye bye.